Do you want to know how to get games on Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Search for a specific game. From the home screen of your Fire TV stick, choose Find, then Search. Type the name of the game you are looking for into the search bar and click it in the search results. Click on the game icon or tile that appears in the search results. If the game is free, click Download or Get. Once downloaded and installed, you should get the Open option. Then open the game and enjoy. If the game is paid, click the cart icon. Ensure you have a payment method like credit or debit card, PayPal, etc. on file in your Amazon account. If you don't have a payment method added, sign into your Amazon account through a web browser and add one. Without a payment method, you will get an error message when trying to purchase. Method 2. Browse the games. On the Fire Stick home screen, highlight Find and select App Store. You can also use Alexa voice button to search for App Store. In the App Store, select the sub-menu option Games. Explore various sections such as Spotlight, Retro Zone, etc. to find games. Scroll down to the Games Categories section to browse by categories such as Action, Adventure, Arcade, Board, Brain and Puzzle, Cards, Casino, Dice, Music and Rhythm, Racing, Seek and Find, Simulation, Sports Games, Trivia and Words. After finding the game you want, click to open it. If it's free, click Download or Get. For paid games, ensure you have a payment method added to your Amazon account to complete the purchase. And there you have it, the methods to get games on Fire Stick. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.